outside, Mini Monday, let's go.
I like when the red one's doing.
All right guys, so Wounded Justin just got done fixing up the graphics and the Warp 9 wheels on the CRF250L. As you guys already know though, we've been a dealer for Warp 9 and Bold graphics for a long time. Even me personally, I've been running Bold graphics on my bike for 2 years and these Warp 9s for 3 years, and it still looks like a brand new freaking bike. So these are the type of companies that we love to be a dealer for, because obviously their quality speaks for themselves. So if you guys are local or not local and are looking for a nice customized Supermoto kit for your bike, and or just want to get the Supermoto wheels, just give us a call. Every single one of these are kind of custom orders, so including the wheels to tires to colors. So if you love Supermotos like us here at Misguided, definitely come out, see us, and or just give us a call. Hope you guys enjoy.
We're inquiring about your classes. Do you offer classes?
We actually don't offer any
No.
classes.
Riding classes?
Yeah.
You guys want to learn how to ride?
I'm sure we could teach you.
I'm sure I have a little background, know a little bit, but I mean, I haven't rode in a while.
You ladies have a bike yet?
No. I'm sorry?
You ladies have a bike yet?
No.
No? Probably be the first step would be to get a bike.
Okay.
And then, you know, if you guys had a bike here, we could probably, you know, walk you through all the loops of
Okay, I
what
can get a bike then.
yeah. We actually have 3 for sale right
Facebook
now.
Marketplace, or we have, we have a stunt bike for sale. I don't know if you guys are looking to stunt ride.
What is it? Oh no, no. We probably gotta start off light, right?
What type of riding you guys would try to do?
for
Like,
fun.
just
Yeah.
get around and go
Yeah,
out.
just
And
for fun. Probably not a cruiser. We're gonna
Crotch
do
rocket?
the crotch rocket,
Sport
yeah.
bikes? Okay.
Yeah.
I would probably suggest
Right?
going on either Facebook Marketplace or somewhere like
250s.
High Motorsport or the toy shop. They're big into used sport bikes like that.
Okay.
So
Well, I
Okay.
appreciate it.
All right.
Thank you.
No problem.
Bye, thank you.
let us know when you get a bike. We'll help you out.
Yeah.
Happy Monday. It's Mini Monday. God damn.
Finally, some nice weather in Chicago, baby. We outside, Mini Monday, let's go.
You better turn your cameras off. I'm getting butt naked. Another bad decision. Another bad decision.
Gotta love it.
Bro, what the fuck?
That's you right riding.
I kind of like the green one and the red one. I like what the red one's doing.
says 3.2 quarts on that one.
Yeah.
Guy loves fucking. Even though these come pre-lubricated, you should always put a dab of some oil ski on the O-ring. You see they come pre-lubricated, right, with a little bit of grease. And on top of that grease, take a very thin shivvy on your finger, just to make sure. So I always use my non-dominant hand.
2023 Honda CBR 500R. First oil change, it just hit 700 miles, so we're getting it right for my friend. Good to go.
I can pretty much guarantee this is the only clean air mod that's ever been done to these BMW S1000s, so let us be the one that troubleshoots this and tries to figure it out for all the guys that are starting to stunt these S1000s. Pretty sure it is going to be necessary, but we're going to get the gas tank and the airbox off and see what's going on under here. Whole bunch of technology though, as you can see. Most of the wiring harness is on top of the airbox.
I should put this on a stand.
Bro, to be honest, we might not have to take it all the way off, Jay. Right here is the crankcase breather that I'm worried about. This is where the crankcase is breathing into the airbox, is right here. Yeah, whenever guys are going in and doing the velocity stack mod in here, they take off the whole airbox and do it. So, in theory, I think we're just gonna take off this tube and go to AutoZone. Obviously, oil's spitting through the airbox right there, so. Plug this girl up and just reroute it up that way. I might just run the filter on it down here. What do you think about that, Justin? We got the blue to match the BMW, something slight. Look at that. Fits like a glove, huh? I'm an S1000. Trying to breathe. So we'll tuck this down, get a little Phillips, tighten her up.
What would you rather have, McDonald's or Taco Bell?
That looks clean. That looks good. It's angled up and it's breathing back. I don't know. I'll be the test dummy, I guess. I think that looks good. I think that looks clean. That'll work. You know what I just realized? We didn't even explain why we need a clean air mod, did we? Okay, so every sport bike, the CBRs, the Beamers, the 636s, all these bikes come factory with a motor vent in the back to you know, obviously vent the pressure that's within the case. And 99.9% of the time, that vent is run up to the airbox, and that's fine for everyone that rides their bike like a normal human being on two wheels, or like, you know, maybe like that, doing pow-pows, that's fine. But for the guys that are actually stunting these bikes, when that bike is straight up and down like that, the oil is gonna start rushing into the airbox, and eventually you're gonna have so much oil in your airbox that you're gonna be pulling oil down the throttle bodies, which will eventually blow up your motor. It'll hydrolock your motor. So obviously there's no one that's really done the research and development on these S1000s yet. I'll be that guy, I guess. And there's not much room to run the lining. How we have already seen, there's not a lot of room in this bike, period. So just running a crankcase breather in about the same position that the airbox is in, except it's not to the airbox, is the move. And then obviously we took one of these caps and we plugged the bottom of the airbox so unfiltered air is not getting into the airbox. So plug the hole that it was originally vented to and reroute the lining up there to a breather, and Man, I don't think it can get much more basic than that. We'll go ahead and do some wheelies and we'll check this for residual oil after, I don't know, 500 miles of wheelies and whatnot, but something tells me this is gonna be a pretty good and productive way to vent the motor on these S1000s, so I'll be the test dummy, I guess.
Crazy shit right here. I'm ready for more.